Hello everyone, Dr. Mark with you again, and today I just wanted to go over an unusual question from my Ask a Vet column. The dog's owner was concerned because her dog was not urinating after surgery. My Maltese went in for a cystotomy Thursday at 1800 hours. She peed twice during the night. Yesterday, Friday morning, around 11 o'clock was the last time she peed. She's not drinking the amount she normally does. I keep up with her pain meds and her anti-inflammatory meds, and she's eating well. I take her to her regular spots often, but she takes one step and sits down. Should I be worried? She asked. The first thing that most of us are going to worry about is that there was a problem in the surgery and your dog's urinary system tubing was injured or even clamped off and destroyed. Surgical problems are a lot more common in people than most of us realize and probably happen at least as often in dogs, even if we almost never hear about them. Rest assured that this is almost assuredly not the case here, since your dog did pee at least once since she came home. What else can be going on? There are several reasons why a dog might not urinate after surgery, especially if it involved her belly. Some are more worrisome than others. Acute renal failure is the reason that usually worries me the most. I am not sure how long your dog was under anesthesia for her surgery, but the blood pressure can fall during that time, and the kidneys no longer produce enough urine. However, since she peed twice since she came home, this is probably not the case, and she was probably on fluids to keep her blood pressure up during surgery. Another problem can be with the anti-inflammatory medications. You did not mention what type of anti-inflammatory medication your Maltese is taking. Some of these medications cause decreased urine production. The third possibility is that your dog is just not urinating because she is mildly dehydrated and not drinking much. To encourage her to drink more, you can add ice cubes to her water dish. Provide fresh water at all times by using a water fountain. Some dogs do not like to drink out of a bowl, which is why they seek other sources. Add chicken broth or other types of soup, no onions or garlic, to the water. Give small amounts of water with a syringe. Do not shove the water down her throat. It is less stressful for her if you just drip the water into that little pocket at the side of her mouth and do not give more until she swallows. Take her back to your veterinarian for fluids. This probably will not be necessary unless she becomes very dehydrated. The most likely cause is not as serious. Even though her bladder is full, she is in too much pain to squat and relieve her bladder. She has gone through a lot of trauma, and the pain medications may not be enough. The only way you can be sure that she is not producing urine because of a kidney problem is to take her back to your regular veterinarian and have her blood tested to monitor for any changes. They will do a physical exam first, and if her bladder is full, they will put a catheter in so that the bladder can be emptied before it causes any other health problems. If the bladder is small but her kidneys are working fine, you can use the suggestions I listed above to get her to DTOK more and produce more urine. If she does have kidney problems after the surgery, they can be cleared up with immediate treatment. If you do not take care of it, she can develop chronic kidney failure, which is not going to go away. Thanks for watching. If you have had any similar problems with your dog after surgery, leave a comment. If this is happening with your dog, you can leave a comment here or just leave a question at my Ask a Vet column at your Pets at Home. If this info was helpful, please give it a like so YouTube will be more likely to send it to other dog owners that need to know the causes of a dog not urinating after surgery. If you are interested in dogs and want to learn more about nutrition, skin care, and other interesting facts about dogs, please subscribe. If you are still with me at this point, take a moment and go back and look at my other videos on dogs.